Space was limited inside this Bravo Ordnance facility in Cedar Creek, Texas. They needed room for both storage and workspace, but expanding the building wasn't the answer. Instead, they looked up. Delivered through the Safety Source LLC and Eastom, this solution combines a custom mezzanine with an integrated in-plant office to maximize the space they already had. The mezzanine adds over 500 square feet of elevated storage, designed to handle demanding industrial loads while maintaining clear space below. Paired with it, the modular office creates a dedicated workspace right on the production floor, keeping operations close, organized, and efficient. With safe access, durable materials, and a layout built around their workflow, everything works together as one system. More space, better flow, no expansion required. Looking to maximize your space? Contact Panel Built to get started.